All right, now today I want to dive into how you can turn any business you have into a money making machine. And it doesn't matter if you're a seasoned marketer or if you're just starting out. Just buckle up because I'm about to reveal it to you right now. So let's get into it. Okay, inside this platform are four different training packages. The first one is called the Launchpad, and it's only a one time payment of $100 plus a $29 admin fee. And you're going to have access to all this training for life. Now, it's going to show you how to get up and running and actually be in profit within 7 days of getting started. So it doesn't matter if you don't have any experience, you can still make your first sale in 7 days. Now, if you've been trying to promote your business on social media and you're not having any luck, then this training is going to show you how to set up those accounts the right way so you can get the maximum effect. We even show you how to grow a following and then turn them into customers too. Now, for those of you who don't want anything to do with social media, we got you covered because these next three lessons teach you how to post short little ads on high traffic websites. And if you have a YouTube channel, we show you a strategy that's going to grow your YouTube channel too. All right. Now, the second program you can get is called the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. And it runs for a one time payment of $300 and a $29 admin fee. Okay, so with this program, it includes everything that's in the Launchpad program that I just showed you. Okay, so here we show you how to find the people who are looking for your particular product and attract them to you. And the way we're going to do this is by becoming a world-class storyteller that's going to speak your perfect customer's language. Okay, this program shows you how to really get into the mind of the customer so that they feel like they're having a one-on-one conversation with you. And you can do this with video, but you can also do this with the content that you post. Okay. Now, the third program you can get is called Digital Mastery for a one time payment of $600 plus the admin fee. And it includes everything in the Launchpad and the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. Now, with this program, you can start getting into some advanced level income around $9,000 a month and above. Okay, so this is where you're going to actually start building recurring income that you receive month after month. You're also going to learn about affiliate marketing and email marketing, where you can build a list that's designed to make you money while you sleep or just going throughout your day. But most importantly, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write a lot of your content for you. Okay, so all you're going to have to do is just give it a couple phrases and then it's off to the races. I use chat to write my emails and write my articles that I put on LinkedIn. I also use it to write my short ads for posting on those high traffic websites that you're going to get. So it really is a time saver, and that's going to help you be more consistent with your marketing. Right now, the fourth program you can get is called the Legacy Builder Program, and it runs for $900. Now, this program is a combination of all four digital programs. Okay, it's going to show you how to scale your business so that you can get into that lifestyle changing income. Okay, with this program, we have members making $30,000, $40,000 a month just from this course alone. And it's going to teach you how to get into that passive income that's going to come in 24 hours a day while you're away from your computer or your phone. Now, in March, I was on a Caribbean cruise in Mexico, and I was getting notices that I made a sale while I'm out here in the middle of the ocean. That's why we call this your freedom machine, because at this point, this is where you can let your foot off the gas and move into maintenance mode and start coasting just a little bit. So instead of creating content and posting it 3 times a day or 4 times a day, you can actually cut back to once a day or once every other day and your income won't even be affected because you laid that foundation during your first 90 days. Now, those are the 4 programs. Now, when you click the button below this video, it's going to take you to this website so you can get the full details about each program. You'll also be given the option to make payments if you don't want to pay the full price at once. Okay, so there are 2 payment buttons for each program. So if you click the top button, it's going to take you to this page, and this is where you're going to pay the full price. But if you go back and click the button that says payment plan, it's going to take you to this page so you can set up your payments. Now, you can select Afterpay if you're in the US or Klarna if you're outside the US. So, those are the only 2 payment options that we have. But if you are going to pay the full price, then you can just put it on your credit card, or you can pay the full price on Cash App too. Okay. So don't let pricing keep you from getting one of these programs. You can also start with a lower program and then just pay the difference in price for another program. So let's say you start with the passive daily pay for $300. When you're ready for additional training, then you would only pay $300 for digital mastery or $600 for legacy builder. All right. And the last thing I want to cover is our private community. Now, when you purchase one of the programs, inside your back office is going to be a button that you can click so you can register for the digital growth community. This is where all of your mentorship is going to take place. Okay. Each one of these blocks is a training classroom that has a tracker, and it shows you how far along you are in the training. So if I open up the 90-day legacy run, this is 90 days of short videos that tell you what you need to do each day. I listen to these during my morning run, and then when I come back home, I just implement what she taught. This is how you can stay on track and stay consistent in your business. You're never going to have to wonder what to say or what to do in this training because it's all laid out for you. Now, the content vault is new. Okay, we're given hooks to use and headlines to write when we create our content. All you got to do is take one of them, put it into ChatGPT to rewrite it for you, and then you're just going to post it on social media. Okay, now if I go back over here, is going to be all the recordings for the mentoring Zooms in case you are not able to make one of the live meetings. And then down here is the training for creating short little videos that you can upload to TikTok. And then this classroom is the 6-figure training when you're ready to scale up your business and start making some big bucks. Okay, and finally is the calendar. So if you click the calendar link, you can see all the upcoming training for the current month. And if you go up here and then click this little hamburger icon, you can get a graphical view of each event on the calendar. Okay, so all this training back here is live. Okay, this isn't like some of those other platforms that only consist of pre-recorded videos. The problem with that is the information can become outdated because the market is always changing. So you never have to worry about that in this community. Okay, so just go ahead and click the link below this video to look over each program and decide which one you want to get started with. And then just leave a comment below if you got any questions. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.